Okay, for a few weeks now I've been mentioning the fact that I'm going to try something new for my YouTube channel. So what I've had to do is create a new YouTube channel for this thing, because it's really about music that I've written. Obviously I play guitar since I was about 17. When I say guitar, I mean very basic guitar. I wouldn't class myself as a proper musician or anything, but I've enjoyed making different songs over the years, and I've decided that I'm going to release one. Now this one was written last year. It's based around 4 chords, that's it, and I created a video for it. Now that video was done on my own in winter, a little bit in summer, trying to operate a drone, play guitar and operate different cameras all at the same time. It is pretty much a hard-hitting sort of video because it's about men and suicide and mental health. Okay, so just remember, it is creative content, but if you watch it and it upsets you, then please get in touch with somebody that you can talk to. Okay, so moving on, you'll find in the link below all the different channels that I've got that surround this this music venture that I'm doing. I don't plan on making any money from it, because like I said, it's just for something that I can express myself through the music that I can play and write. So you'll find the song is called No Words, purely and simply because it's instrumental, and the fact that men have no words. They decide not to talk and hold all their emotions in. Okay, so go and have a look at the song. You'll also find it on Spotify and all the other major music venues and channels. Okay.